I'm gonna check Natalia inside. I think she's preparing for something, but I don't know. But let's see what is gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna go check her. Hello, young lady. How you dey? Beauty, beauty.
What in be wahala?
I don't get wahala.
I don't have time.
Yeah, where you dey go? You don't have time. Where you dey go?
I'm going for the 50 Cent concert.
50 Cent concert?
Yes, now.
Oh, yeah.
Have you seen my ID?
No, I haven't seen your ID.
Maybe they will ask me about the ID. Who knows?
I don't know.
Who knows?
I don't know if they go ask you. But wait. On a more serious note. On a more serious note. You wear Komu?
What in?
You wear
What's
Komu?
that?
You wear Komu?
What is this?
You wear Komu? You're asking me.
No.
You know where?
Oh yeah.
That-
Farabale, leave me.
I don't go leave you.
Me.
So-
Go while you.
Egbami Morogo.
Will you please have
They're gonna check you.
late.
Okay. No, you know what? I know you are late.
What?
Check this out. Just check this thing out.
You crazy.
I'm not. Just check it out. Check it out.
Just that is.
What do you think about the dress?
What, Nino?
Camille is saying it's very pretty.
Exactly. Thank you. What do you think about the dress? What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah, perfect.
So you are going to 50 Cent.
Yeah.
Now this thing you go wear. Now my mom clothes, and I think it fits you perfectly. This is what you are going to wear. If you are not wearing this, you are not going to 50 Cent.
After I die.
You are not a problem.
You are wearing this. You go wear them. Wait. What do you think about this dress? I think it's beautiful. Come.
Can you leave me?
I'm not going to leave you.
Oh my God,
See,
I'm crying
guys,
like-
he's
Yeah.
going to 50 Cent, and this is what she's going to wear.
Yes.
If she doesn't wear this, she's not going to any 50 Cent.
No wahala.
I think you guys are behind me, Abi.
I'm running late. Bye.
Exactly.
Yes.
This is what she's going to wear. You don't wear my mama dress. You don't go 50 Cent.
Oh yeah. Stop.
That's what Wally.
No,
Guys, on a more serious note, what do you think?
Can you stop?
This red
Because
dress
I don't want
is
to get
too
late.
it's too shiny.
I
Guys
don't
will
want to
notice
get
that too
late.
much. And
There's-
on top of
Please,
that,
there's
she
someone waiting
don't
for
wear
me.
bra. So why would I allow her to put
While
like
you
that?
stop.
Hey, now this one she go wear. What do you think? This one, Abi? She's gonna wear my mama dress. If she can wear my mama dress, I will allow her to go to 50 Cent. If she's not going to wear it, she's not going to 50 Cent. Guys, what do you think? I'm making the right decision, Abi? Hey. My mama Ankara, it looks so good.
Please, oh yeah.
And
Where's my
Camille
seat? Where is my
Camille is
seat?
in my support. He said, this is the best dress to wear. What do you think? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.